In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a Ticketmaster ticket on Ticketswap. If you've got a ticket you can no longer use, Ticketswap gives you a simple way to list it for sale and safely transfer it to someone else. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from getting your ticket out of Ticketmaster to publishing the listing on Ticketswap. First, open Ticketmaster and locate the ticket you want to sell. Make sure you choose the correct events and the correct ticket, especially if you have more than one order in your account. From there, export your ticket as a PDF if that option is available, or copy the ticket link if Ticketmaster provides a shareable link instead. The goal here is to have the ticket in a format that Ticketswap can import properly, so take a moment to confirm that the file opens correctly or that the link works before moving on. Once you have the PDF or ticket link ready, open Ticketswap and tap Sell. This will start the selling flow inside the app or website. When prompted, import your ticket file or paste in the ticket link you grabbed from Ticketmaster. Ticketswap will use that information to identify the event details and prepare your listing. If anything looks off during import, such as the wrong date, venue, or number of tickets, pause and double-check the file or link before continuing. It's always better to catch mistakes early than to fix them after your listing is live. After the ticket has been imported, set your price. Be careful here and review the amount before submitting. Depending on the event and platform rules, there may be limits on how much you can charge, so make sure the price you enter is both accurate and acceptable. A clear, fair price can help your ticket sell faster. Next, enter your bank payout information so Ticketswap knows where to send your money once the ticket is sold. Take your time filling this in, because even a small typo could delay your payout. Review everything carefully before moving on. Finally, submit your listing. After you submit, your ticket will be posted on Ticketswap and made available to buyers. It's a good idea to keep an eye on the listing afterward in case the platform asks for any confirmation or updates. That's it. Export your ticket PDF or copy the ticket link from Ticketmaster, go to Ticketswap, and import it through the sell option. Set your price, add your bank payout details, and submit the listing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.